Hello everyone, this is Dr. Chandana Galidevara from Ankura Madinaguda Hospitals, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic. What are the various sleeping positions in pregnancy? Now, what is the ideal sleeping position and what are the other sleeping positions which are safe in pregnancy? Coming to the ideal sleeping position, we always recommend a pregnant woman to sleep on the left side. This is especially important after the 16th or 18th week. Now in the first trimester, it really doesn't matter which way you sleep because the uterus is very small and it is mostly in the pelvis. It doesn't impact the blood supply. But as you enter the second trimester, the sleeping position matters because the uterus becomes heavier and heavier. The heavy uterus, when you sleep on the back, can decrease the blood flow. There are great vessels running behind. These are the aorta and the inferior vena cava. These blood vessels get compressed if the pregnant woman sleeps on her back, and because of this, the blood supply to the uterus and moreover to the baby decreases. This is why we tell the pregnant woman not to sleep on the back. Now, the ideal sleeping position is recommended as the left side. This is because it relieves the pressure on these great vessels and also it relieves some pressure on the liver, which is on the right side. Now, a lot of women have another doubt, can we sleep on the right side as well? Yes, you can sleep either on the left or on the right. There are some pregnant women who have difficulty sleeping on the left side. So you don't have to push yourself to sleep on the left side. You can also sleep on the right side equally comfortably. And usually the studies have shown that there is not much of a difference whether you sleep on the left side or on the right side. So sleeping on the right side is also completely safe. A few of the pregnant women realize in their deep sleep that they have turned towards the back and they suddenly wake up in the middle of the night and they are very worried that I have been sleeping on the back. What will happen to my baby? Is any harm going to happen? Now, most of the time nothing happens. But the moment you realize and you are awake, it is always better that you shift and turn towards your right or left side. Some women really have a difficulty sleeping either towards right or towards left and they are feeling more comfortable when they sleep on the back. This kind of women can use a small pillow as a wedge. The whole idea is not to let your heavy uterus compress the great vessels directly and lead to decreased blood flow or to hypertension. So just to avoid this, all you need to do is use a pillow and give yourself a small tilt. A 30 to 45 degree tilt is more than enough to make sure that the blood flow is running. And one more important thing is when you are getting up from the sleeping position, try not to get up straight. Try to turn towards one side, lean. Keep the support of your hands and then wake up slowly. This really helps in making sure that you don't get any muscle cramps and the blood flow is maintained. Thank you.